everybody, it's Haley, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy dessert. It's called Muddy Buddies, and this is a great last minute Christmas dessert because it's super easy and it only takes like 15 minutes and it's going to be delicious. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, I have a medium bowl right here, and make sure it's heat proof. So in that bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a 1/4 cup of butter, and I'm just using some salted butter, but if you only have unsalted, that works too. Okay, here's the Christmas spatula of the day. It has a little butter on it, sorry. It's a cute little snowman. And then I have 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And by the way, this is the official Chex Mix recipe for Muddy Buddies. Okay, now we're gonna take this over to the microwave and microwave it for 1 minute. Oh my goodness, it was so scary to watch that because the butter was bubbling up so much. All right, now I'm just gonna give this a quick stir with my spatula. And at this point, if your mixture is not smooth, then you can microwave it for about another 30 seconds until it's smooth. But mine is very smooth, so I'm gonna move on. Okay. Whew, that was hard to open. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to our chocolate mixture. And we're gonna stir it in. Once the chocolate peanut butter mixture is all done, we are gonna move over to a separate bowl. This is a large bowl, and I have 4.5 cups of corn Chex and 4.5 cups of rice Chex. But if you only have one, then you can just use 9 cups of that one. And then we're gonna pour the peanut butter chocolate mixture into the bowl with the Chex. And once you pour all of your chocolate mixture in, then we're gonna mix it up. And our goal is to coat this as evenly as possible in the chocolate peanut butter mixture. So an easy way to do this without crushing them is to take your spatula and just fold it in. So you go under and over, under and over. Turn the bowl every once in a while. Under and over. Ooh, look at that, so delicious. All right, once that's all mixed, you're gonna need to get 2 gallon-sized bags, or you can just get 1 2-gallon bag, but we don't have any of those. And then divide the powdered sugar up between these 2. So the recipe says you only need 1.5 cups, so that would be 3/4 cup for each bag. But I've also heard that you usually need a lot more, so you just want to add powdered sugar until the Muddy Buddies are not sticky. Now comes the hard part, not spilling this and trying to get it into these bags. Yikes. Okay, so this is a 2-person job. Hold on, your head's cut off, sorry. So Brittany's gonna help me divide this into these 2 bags. Definitely a 2-person job. Just do half. This looks like more than this, so let's do more in here. And actually, if you want to stay, you can help me shake one of these up. I got homework to do. Fine. All right, so once you've divided the mixture evenly between your 2 bags, you're gonna wanna seal the bags. Make sure they're very tightly closed. And it's actually better if you leave some air in there, that way there's space to shake it around. So make sure they're super tightly closed. Then hold the top and then flip it over and shake it around to distribute the powdered sugar all over. Just shake it up like this. All right. First bag is done, and I don't think I'm gonna need to add any extra powdered sugar. Now, next bag. done shaking up my second bag, and if you look on the inside, it still looks pretty dark, so very different from the other bag. So I'm gonna add some extra powdered sugar. Once again, seal it very, very tightly and shake. Okay, so this is what you want it to look like. It looks more like snow. Okay, it's all done. Seriously guys, this dessert is so easy. You literally make it in a bag. So super easy snack or dessert for Christmas, or just whenever you want to have it. All right, got it all here in my cute little Santa bowl. And now I'm gonna try it. Although, if we're honest, I already ate so much of this. It's so good. Oh my goodness. It's so good. I love the combination of the chocolate and peanut butter and powdered sugar, and then the crunchy Chex. Like, why is this so addicting? I will warn you though, it is very sweet. Well anyways, thank you so much for baking with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and click the subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell so that you know when I post new videos. And make sure you go check out my vlog channel if you haven't already, because I just started a vlog channel and I will be doing the 12 days of Vlogmas, so you don't want to miss that. And I'll see you next time. Bye!